Hello po, hello Philippines!
Hi, Ma'am!
O ano ka nung sabihin mo, Ma'am Jen?
Ma'am, we miss you and thank you kasi tiro mo kami nung makana na maging magana ka, malugod at saka mahusay ang mestra. Ikaw peka the best boss. I experienced mi nga duwang TG. Thank you karan
Yes.
ang advice mo. Kasi gamit mi lalo na Kenny, pamanuro Kenny. And miss na ka, miss na namin yung department, miss na namin yung chikahan, yung
Luto ng Ma'am.
luto ng Ma'am. I miss spicy tofu.
Ay, wanggang niya ako, the best ito.
The best. Ma'am, kauli mi ken keng magbakasyon kami, magborakay tamo nga and magbagyo syempre. And coffee dates. Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you keng advice, keng pamanuro at keng bie. Metong kakareng taong
Naging inspirasyon
me
Yan.
and partner na kaning biya mi syempre. Lagi ming gana kanit ang turo mo kaya kami. And we love you, Ma'am. We miss you all po, Math Department.
Miss you all po, love you
Miss you all
all.
po from US with love.
Love,
See you
love,
here.
love.
See you here.
See you po. Ban, what will you say to tita?
Say hi.
Say Ban.
Man, bye.
Say hi.
Opa finger.
Opa finger. Oh. Bye-bye po. Miss you all.
두근대는 맘을 따라 너에게 가는 나의 발걸음 마치 구름 위를 나르는 듯해 꿈속에 언젠가처럼.
Hi, Ma'am Jen. Ang bilis naman. Kaagad-agad say goodbye or you're free now. Ano pa man yun, I'm sure that math department always there is special or important part in your big heart. Ma'am Jen or Jeneline Evaristo Sison remain sweet, beautiful, and smart math coordinator. Kaya nga, all math teachers are very happy and enjoying. And all of them are still good, look young. So, God bless to all. Ma'am Jen, alang magbayo ne. I love you and I miss you. God bless. Thank you.
Only if you're waiting for me, then I could walk through the fire for you. When you say my
At sa nag-upgrade niya, lalo yung kaya
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am.
Good morning. Morning here. As a tribute, we thank you sa lahat-lahat. Especially not just being our boss, pero you've been a good friend to both of us. Takbuhan, iyakan, support. Lagi nandyan yung mga trips natin, coffee, pagkain, bar.
Miss na namin.
Favorite part yung pag-iinom.
And yung luto mo, ma'am?
Yes, namimiss na namin ma'am dito. So, well, we're really thankful na nakilala ka namin and yun nga, you've been a good boss to us. Kasi hindi mo iniisip na boss ka namin. Na-feel namin na hindi ka namin boss, kundi friend talaga. And we're thankful of it.
Enjoy your, hindi naman retirement. Enjoy being regular teacher ulit, ma'am. We miss you.
Bye!
whole world stops. I'm amazed at the way you see me. 왜인지는 모르겠지만 자꾸만 웃게 돼. 너의 마법에 걸린 것 같아. 나는 wherever you go, whatever you do, 널 알아볼 수 있을 것 같아. 멈추지 않는 내 심장이 죽을 것 같이 뛰고 있어. I say you stepped into my heart, softer than summer night, became my everything. There's no way without you now.
ako. Click to review. Oh, ayan, din.
Ikaw ay nasa layan sa tigilan ka ng panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan para bang di nagkataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Tangi kong hiling sa mga tala. Mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Follow your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world.